Here I have this rolling cart kitchen island that's absolutely amazing, and I want to show you why it's going to be perfect for you. So first up, we have a 44-inch countertop on the main part, and the best part, we can pull this out seamlessly, and we gain another 27 inches. So all in all, this is going to give you 78 inches in total. That's going to be over 6 feet. And the best part about it is it rolls. So this can even roll with it fully extended. Let me show you what this can do, because I was pretty impressed. Look at this, guys. This is like no effort. And we're putting it right back to normal. Absolutely no problem. So this part extends very easily. And with that pushed in, I mean, you can even spin this even more. On the back here, we're gonna feature a really nice handle that's easy to grab, and we're gonna have a treated material on top, almost an epoxy finish over this. Very smooth, it's gonna be very easy to clean. You can tell this is gonna last a long time. You can actually even take the wheels off too if you want this to be completely stationary, and the wheels are gonna have locks built into them, so if you don't want this to roll and you just want it to stop, hit the locks and it'll stay completely in place. And that's gonna be on both sides. I honestly cannot believe how much space this gives you. And it's very wide, really functional. You're also gonna notice that we have 4 different sections here. We have 2 pull-out drawers on the top with really nice handles, and then on the bottom, we're gonna have 2 more that are going to be really nice. And we can adjust the shelves on the bottom too, so it can give you ample space. You can pull these out, put them down if you want to have a little bit more room on the top versus the bottom. One of my favorite parts about this that I did not expect was soft close cabinets. Look at this. You can't beat that. That is a luxury right there. I'm loving how we have the natural wood look on top mixed with the white in the silver handles. Looks absolutely stunning. Now, overall, this took me a few hours to build, but I think it was totally worth it because after I was done and I saw the finished product, I was amazed with how high quality it is. It turned out way better than I actually thought it was. This extension just is blowing my mind. This is a 3-in-1, so it's gonna serve a lot of purposes. We have a prep station here. You can even just turn this into a work table, and this side right here is perfect for bar stools and eating. You can actually put chairs on both sides. I'm gonna show you right now. And I think you can fit 2 chairs on each side. That would be perfect for eating a meal, hanging out, and just having a good time. And this is actually a perfect height too, because this comes up to about 35 inches, and most kitchen islands and bar tops are gonna be anywhere from 34 to about 38 inches. So with this being 35 inches, it's gonna make it the optimal height for a bar stool that's 24 to 26 inches in height. So as you can see here, I'm 5'11". I fit absolutely perfect. I'd be totally comfortable eating a meal here and having somebody else on the other side. You'd have plenty of room. And whenever you're done with this, just slide it in. There's actually a bar on the inside that prevents this from coming all the way out. And it'll stop right here, you can see. When I do that, it'll stop. I was actually wondering that and how would that prevent from coming out, but there is a block of wood that you do install there, so it keeps it really safe and makes it a lot more functional. So let's take a little bit of a closer look. These countertops are really high quality and they have a nice shine to them and a protective material. Handle is absolutely beautiful. I love the white and the contrast and everything. There's a ton of room in here, as you can see, all the way on the top and the bottom, and you can adjust that absolutely no problem. But the soft close are like my favorite part because you could just slam those and it's the best. The rolling wheels are really functional, and whenever you pull this out, it just adds so much more room than I actually anticipated. This is 6 feet in length, 78 inches, and that is really gonna help if you're hosting parties. Maybe you don't have a kitchen island. Maybe you want a little bit more room in your kitchen for storage. This is gonna be absolutely perfect. If you're entertaining parties and events or just need some more storage space, I highly recommend this. This is absolutely amazing. It blew my mind with how much better it actually was than I thought it was gonna be. So check this out for yourself, add it to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.